Aerobic glycolysis. This system uses glucose, oxygen, adenosine diphosphate, as well as an individual phosphate and fatty acids. These then undergo glycolysis, and the products formed are carbon dioxide, which is exhaled, water, which is safe inside the body, and lastly 36 molecules of adenosine triphosphate. This is the highest amount of adenosine triphosphate produced out of the three types of energy systems. Another advantage is that there are no harmful byproducts left over once the energy has been produced. This system also has disadvantages though, such as requiring a long period of time to recover back to a normal state. Another disadvantage is that it produces energy very slowly. It is the slowest at producing energy out of the three energy systems, therefore it is used when the exercise is less intense. A sporting example of this is marathon running. The energy isn't required to arrive in a quick burst, instead of that it is supplied in a slow but constant rate. Lactic acid system. This system also requires glucose, adenosine diphosphate, and a singular phosphate. However, this system does not require oxygen. This means it's quicker when producing energy, however it produces lactic acid as a byproduct, as well as only 2 molecules of adenosine triphosphate. The advantage of this system is that it doesn't require oxygen and is faster at producing energy than aerobic glycolysis, and produces more energy than phosphocreatine system. The disadvantages, however, are that lactic acid is produced, which is harmful and must be neutralized, which takes about 6 seconds for every second worked. After this, the lactic acid is neutralized and you return to a normal state. A sporting example that predominantly uses the lactic acid system is a 400-meter sprint. This is because you require energy fast and are working inside your anaerobic threshold. However, because it is 400 meters, you need to be able to exert this high level for a while. Therefore, it will not use the phosphocreatine system. Phosphocreatine system. This system does not require oxygen or glucose. Instead, it uses phosphocreatine storage. This is then separated into creatine and phosphate. This separation then makes energy that combines a phosphate molecule with an adenosine diphosphate molecule to form a molecule of adenosine triphosphate. This system is good because it produces energy very quickly and is significantly quicker than the other two systems. However, it only produces a small amount of energy in comparison to the other two systems and is limited by the amount of phosphocreatine stored inside the body, meaning you can only use this system for a very small amount of time. The recovery time, however, is only 2 to 3 minutes, making it the fastest system in terms of recovery. A sporting example of the phosphocreatine system is a 100-meter sprint, because it is a very short burst of speed. However, it requires energy very quickly to move as fast as possible. In conclusion, the three systems work together during exercise by supplying different amounts of energy over different periods of time. For example, in football, you will use the aerobic system when walking, the lactic acid system when jogging quickly, and the phosphocreatine system when sprinting.